Hello, dear parents. Silver Oaks is introducing a creative computing program which will prepare our pupils for the technology-driven world. Silver Oaks is partnering with TECHNOKNOWLEDGE, a leading educational technology company, to bring coding and developing technologies-based computer science curriculum to our pupils. Through this collaboration, pupils from grades 1 to 7 will have access to a comprehensive learning management system. The curriculum has been divided into 3 major parts. 1. Computer Science Fundamentals. 2. Computer Programming Fundamentals. 3. Programming and Developing Technologies Tools. By introducing computing skills into our curriculum, we aim to equip our pupils with essential skills for the future, fostering computational thinking and collaboration and teamwork. So, let's shape the future of our Okian children together.